Hello. So this is the new boom arm. I've threaded the mic cable down the channel. It's still quite firm to adjust, but I've used the Allen key. So I took the base off the AM AM8. A lot of videos show people adjusting this arm, but to be honest, I'm just going to leave this here really. It's in the corner against the wall, and yeah, it's quite sturdy, so I don't want to put a lot of leverage on it. And my worktop's only, it's about an inch thick, I think, 2.5 centimeters. So yeah, this is the boom arm. It's on Amazon at the moment for $59,999. They show it with a what is it? They do show it with both microphones. Yeah. So you can see it with the K68. They show it with a Rode as well. I just screwed it straight on. I didn't even need to have to change the adapters. So yeah, really nice. Gets a thumbs up from me. Really sturdy. I bought this one rather than the horizontal one because that clearance there was only 4 inches, or less, just under 4 inches. So I don't think that was quite enough to swing the arm in and out. Plus I have my computer here anyway, so I think this is nicer here. I can adjust it this way. When I'm not using it, I'll just swing it around there. So it's very, I think it's cardioid, so it's very direction sensitive. Well, that's okay. You just remember to talk to it head on. So this adjustment here, I heard people criticize it, but to be honest, I don't have a problem with it. I'm not the sort of person who's going to be always adjusting it. So for me, I'd rather something was, quite difficult to adjust, just firm. I don't want anything that drops down. I've read bad reviews, not on this stand. This has got 80% 5 stars, which is pretty good. You'll rarely find better than that on Amazon, I would say. So yeah, one of the reasons I wanted this was so that I could lean back in my chair and just type with my keyboard on my lap. I don't like typing up here. I tend to get shoulder ache and elbow ache. If you type with a keyboard just across your top of your legs, I find that much more comfortable, especially as you can lean back and you can recline, which yeah, after a long time takes the weight off your spine, I think. So in the interests of spinal injuries, get yourself a boom arm. Thank you. Thanks for watching.